Hello, my name is George Matesser, and I am the department chair for the Department of Math and Computer Science here at Northwestern Regional High School. I would like to tell you a little bit about our mission here in the math department. We believe all students learn mathematics to become lifelong problem solvers. All students work collaboratively to discover math concepts, solve problems, and talk about math. All students complete authentic performance assessments that require students to communicate math in a variety of ways. All students have the opportunity to take mathematics courses that prepare them for both college and career. Our curriculum is aligned with the Common Core standards, and we embrace what are called the mathematical practice standards, in which students make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. Students reason abstractly and quantitatively. They construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of others. They model with mathematics. They use appropriate tools strategically. They attend to precision. They look for and make use of structure and look for and express regularity in repeated reasoning. One way we accomplish excellence in the Common Core standards is through our discovery-based learning process. In our courses, students are regularly instructed through the use of collaborative groups. And here is an example of an activity in geometry. So instead of giving students the definitions to every vocabulary word, we might have them create their own definition. So an example here is vertical angle measures. And instead of giving them the theorem, they could figure it out themselves through measurement, through technology. So here we have vertical angles and their measures. And then students would be asked, well, what do you notice about those angles? And they would say, oh, those vertical angles are congruent. So that might be a conjecture that they make. So here are the course sequences and our levels of our courses. So one thing you should know about our courses is that when you're in one of these levels, you are not stuck in that level. You can move between levels based on readiness, based on data, or if a student just wants to be challenged. So let's start with the honors level. So students can enter in honors geometry if they have completed Algebra 1 in 8th grade. And they could be recommended for honors geometry or college prep geometry. And then they can follow the path here. And then we have 3 AP offerings. We have AP Calculus, AP Statistics, and AP Computer Science A. Students may enter at an Algebra 1 level, having successfully completed 8th grade math. And then the typical process continues with geometry, Algebra 2, pre-calculus, statistics, and then we have Introduction to Computer Science as an option as well. Then we have the general leveling, which could also be called community college prep. So students who complete this this chain of math courses could be eligible to be successful in Algebra 2 at the community college. We find that the students have difficulty in that Algebra 2 course at the community college, which may cause them to have difficulty completing college. So all our students have the ability to enter college. And now as 9th graders, students can start in Foundations of Algebra 1, formerly known as Algebra 1A, or students can enter in Applied Algebra 1, formerly known as Algebra 1B. So students who enter at foundations level will take 2 years to complete Algebra 1, and then move on to Applied Geometry, and then Foundations of Algebra 2 or Applied Statistics 1 and 2. So your 8th grade math teacher will provide you with what they think would be the best plan for your student. So we do have computer science courses that are offered. We have Introduction to Computer Science, which the next time that it will be offered is 2022 to 2023. AP Computer Science A will be offered in 2021 to 2022. AP Computer Science A is open to sophomores, juniors, and seniors who are at least taking Algebra 2 at the same time. And they will learn the Java language. Introduction to Computer Science is a half-year course, and students learn Python. New England Math League is a club here we have at the high school. Usually we get about 60 to 80 students who participate in each contest, and it is a national contest open to all students and only takes 30 minutes. All students are expected to have a TI-84 Plus or a similar graphing calculator. Students are also required to have a 3-ring notebook for math class only. There are so many extra help opportunities available here in the math department. The Math Help Center is open every period with a certified math teacher. Students can leave their study hall or commons period and get extra help as needed. We have a math skills seminar class, which is an intervention class. Students get to practice numeracy skills and get structured help with their current math classes, and they can earn a quarter to a half credit per year. And there's extra help after school on Mondays and Thursdays with any math teacher. So we strive to make our math classes engaging for all students. We even include field trips. Here's a trip that we usually take to Travelers. We bring some students who want to learn about actuarial science. We include many hands-on projects, writing assignments. Here you can see students working on a 14-hour math problem called the MathWorks Math Modeling Challenge, in which we have received an honorable mention team prize. Here's a list of all the math teachers, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. My email address is gmatesser@nwr7.org, or you can call the school, and my extension is 3256. Thank you very much.